Welcome everybody, today we are going to learn about lists. But first, what is a list? A list is a list of elements. For example, hey, ho, let's go. Let me print it. And as you can see, we have our 4 elements. We use list when we want to list something. For example, the users of our website, the workers in our company, or the weeks of the day. Speaking of which, let's do it. Week. And here we have the days of the week, and well, Sunday is missing. How we can add it? We can add it using append. Week, append, and then the day we want to add. Sunday. Let's comment this. And let's print the week. As you can see, we have Sunday. With append, we append for example, the day at the end of the list. What if we want to insert one day between the list? Let me copy this. Week 2, and we have Sunday. Now Saturday is missing. We want to add it, but week 2, append Saturday. This will only add it to the end of the list, not between. As you can see, Sunday, Saturday. To that, we use insert. And then we indicate the position and what element we want to add. Here, we have to count, for example, and we start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, Saturday. And now it's working. It's adding Saturday on the 5th position. What if we want to delete an element? Week 3, and I am lazy. If we want to pop the element, the last element, sorry, we just pop it. And now Sunday is no longer in week 3. Print week 3. What if we want to pop an element but not the last one, something in the middle of the string? Week 3, 4, sorry. On the same way of we use it in insert, we can indicate the element we want to remove. Let's remove Friday. We print it, week 4. And as you can see, Friday is no longer inside week 4. How we can tell the position of an element inside a list? It's easy. Let's create another week, week 5, and we want to get the position of Friday. Index Friday. Let's print it. It's the position 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How we can count the elements inside a list? It's easy. Week 6. And let's print week 6 length, like this. We have 7 elements and 7. Here we have seen the most used methods of a list, but there is a lot more. For example, extend, reverse, sort, mix, max. So I'm gonna leave a link to a website listing all the list methods so you can learn. And now, time for exercise. Here we have 3 exercises. Don't worry, they are pretty easy, and you can check the notes, of course. And on the first one, this list is wrong. You have to remove the thing you don't like. It might be dogs, cats, or ice cream. On the second one, we have a list, a shopping list, and we have to pop out the Wu-Tang Clan CD. They don't sell on grocery shops, I don't know why. But you have to use pop, but getting the index first. And on the third one, you have to add at the start of the list, not at the end, your favorite language. So please pause the video, try it on your own, and if you don't manage to do it, I'm gonna solve it right now. Did you manage? I'm going to solve it. The first one, we have to remove the thing we don't like. So I'm going to remove breaking a leg. I don't feel like it. Breaking a leg. And I'm going to print the list. Nice, breaking a leg is no longer there. The second one, we have to pop out the Wu-Tang Clan CD. So I'm going to copy the list. And as you can see, we have to save the index somewhere to use it with the pop. So I'm going to save it into Wu-Tang index, and the index is the shopping list index Wu-Tang Clan CD, and I'm going to use that index to remove it. My shopping list, I'm going to pop Wu-Tang index, and I'm going to print the shopping list. We will have no longer Wu-Tang Clan CD. Nice, it's out. And now I have to add a language to the list. So I'm going to use language, and I want to insert at the start of the list, 0, and I want to add Python. And of course I want to print it. Nice, Python is inserted at the start of the line, and we have done the 3 exercises. So, I hope you have fun, and I will see you on my next video.